You don't want to look all my belly. They had to run to the store right quick. You know what I mean? How you doing, Maurice? Yo, baby. Hey, what's up, Maurice? How you doing?
I got something for you. Thank you.
Oh, appreciate it. Plug him in back.
Oh, okay.
For real. We'll use little oil, little oil. And then you stick it down in there.
I'll be right back.
Okay, baby. All right. I'm gonna ride. You going to Costco, right? You going to Costco? I'm coming up there. She wanna ride with Maurice to Costco. Well, that's me, but we ain't gonna kick it like that though, folks. Oh, yeah. She wouldn't let me do it with you. I put a little bit of what the hell? Them folk just got there came on, man. Damn. That's 2, 3. That's 3. That's they coming out the apartment. I'm like, damn, that's a K9 unit.